we're in trouble. In the creek. What a machine! Not pass up a free piece of wood to save my life. It's a perfectly good 4x4. We're gonna take plank down in the lake. Oh, the lake has risen. It has risen. Any Ed, and Eddie fans on here? All right, plank is a bad idea. It's trying to slide around and crush me. Oh, great. Well, goodbye, plank. I'll come get that later. Rinse that off. The Honda submarine. The Honda submarine. All this shit floating out of the floorboard. Oh, it died. Excellent. That's what we like to see. Good. This thing never dies. Why is all my shit dying out lately? So got excited. There was some good rain, so I took the Pioneer 500 out to explore some trails at the top secret testing facility. I'm trying to connect a couple of different trails together. I've never been able to do it. Probably need to get a group together with some chainsaws and just, you know, brute force it. But there's this really dense cypress head. Anyway, you'll see I get stuck there. But yeah, a lot of fun. Pioneer takes a lot of abuse. I don't think anything was really hurt on it other than the bodywork, which is already kind of destroyed. But yeah, tons of fun. This thing's an absolute tank with the gear reduction, the locker, and the suspension conversion I did. The first thing to do in a situation like this is try to get the exhaust up. So luckily this Pioneer 500 is pretty light. I think I can pick up the back of it. Yeah. All right, got the exhaust up. That's good. Maybe it'll start now. Spark plug's still under. It didn't die till I let it idle. So I do the EFI choke procedure. Cycle the key several times to fire the injector. Come on, baby. All right, we're back in business. Doop, doop, doop. Oh, leaning quite badly. Leaning quite badly. Oh. Oh. All right. Well, now you want to idle. That's good. Oh, there's my jacket. You can't be littering. Let's see if we got anything in the airbox. Oh, we do have a tree. Wonder where that came from. We didn't really run over any trees today. And we got some trees up here too. Look at that. Good as new. The Pioneer is absolutely cruising through these trails. My suspension conversion, hands down the best mod you can do on a Pioneer. I wish the Snorkel was quieter though. It's quite noisy. Look at the Jimmy fit down here. Oh, right in the face. Lovely. Oh, absolutely lovely. All right, this is as far as the Jimmy made it. It's this really soft, peaty stuff. So got it in low, 4-wheel drive. Low means first, by the way. We're gonna explore this shit. The rain today has really softened it up though. This is totally uncharted territory. I mean, at least by me. Oh no. What are we gonna do about that? That's a pretty strong tree. Already having obstacles. It's no match for the mighty Pioneer 500. We snapped that sucker off with a tire. Oh wow. This is interesting. Yeah, this terrain was probably more suited for an ATV, if I'm honest. But this is the smallest and lightest of the side-by-sides. I'm just not even steering, I'm just going straight. All right, we need my my steak knife. This will saw right through it. I don't mind running it over, it's got to square up on it better. All right, taking a minute to investigate my current situation. So this was kind of open back here, but this area up here is getting a lot more dense.